without you.
Yo, what is going on everyone? How are we all today? I hope everyone's had a fantastic month of July and everyone is safe from the COVID-19 business. Before we start this video today, I just wanted to say a big thank you to my sponsors, VINBOOK, Facebook Gaming and Next Level Racing, but especially VINBOOK here, one of our latest sponsors who've just jumped on board and they're going to be helping us achieve our goals dramatically. First up, we've got this S13 that you guys are about to see in this next video. So thank you very much to VINBOOK. We have a lot of great, insane content coming for you guys, ranging from cars, drifting, building cars, stripping cars. It's going to be insane. So make sure you guys jump over in the link in the description and download the app and like their YouTube channel, the VINBOOK Garage. They've just started, they've just released this new video and they're about to kick off. Everything is going to be posted on there before anything. I'll be making little videos like you're about to see. They're cruising with the missus. A couple of nice little boost videos as well. The turbo sounds insane. We have a lot of great mods coming for this car this week. So make sure you guys stay tuned for a lot more IRL content videos coming up. And especially jump on that VINBOOK Garage YouTube channel. And hit that subscribe button now. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Thank you very much everyone. Let's
all that thing? Yeah, just straight strokes. Yeah, put on, did oil and, you know, filter and that was it. Yeah. As I said, I was in the middle of going start middle, body, getting it all fixed up with the pins. Obviously, you just drive it, just see the ground every time the old charger was on there. Right, okay. There's a couple of bumps and shit under there, but it seems really straight.
Guards might need rolling or something, do they?
He's raised it up now.
Oh, okay.
So it doesn't hit.
Right.
Doesn't hit.
How ready is it for drifting? Pretty ready.
Tomorrow.
Right.
It'll slide.
Yeah.
And there's a full set of burners right there, behind you.
Oh, right.
Bottom line and go. So the kick short sits behind the intrusion bar, so it's nice and tucked away, really short piping. The factory intercooler actually sits in that bottom corner.
most flattering.